I've received a lot of comments from subscribers saying that they're enjoying the content showcasing different trading prop firms. Well, in this video, I'm sharing a different type of prop firm for trading. We're going to explore about Earn to Trade, which are a US futures trading prop firm. I'm going to share more about Earn to Trade, who they are, how it works, and what happens after you get funded. So here we are on the Earn to Trade website, and we're going to look a little bit more information at the Gauntlet Mini. This is their main challenge that you have to pass in order to get a funded trading account with them. The Gauntlet Mini is an intraday futures trading exam, whereby if you respect their rules and hit their goals, you're able to pass the challenge and gain access to a fully funded trading account with Earn to Trade. And as you can see, there are a few different steps in the process for the Gauntlet Mini. So the first step is to choose your account size. You've got to trade it for at least 15 days, adhering to the rules and hitting those goals. If you're able to do that, then you get access to a funded trading account with this prop firm. So let's look at a little bit more information at the different account types that are available. Now these mainly include different funding options. So as you can see, we've got funding starting from $25,000 up until $150,000, and each of those account types varies based on what your budget is, what you're able to pay for those account types. Now the thing that sets Earn to Trade apart from other trading prop firms, besides the fact that they focus primarily on US futures, is the fact that they work on a monthly subscription basis. So what does that mean? Well, other prop firms that I've shared on this channel, such as FTMO and My Forex Funds and the 5%ers, as you may be aware, you have to pay a one-off fee in order to take the challenge in order to get access to that account. Whereas with Earn to Trade, it's a monthly subscription basis. So it does take the stress out of having a deadline that you have to meet to be able to pass the challenge. Instead, with a monthly subscription, you are paying a rolling monthly fee in order to be able to take the challenge. So it does mean that you can apply this to your own lifestyle and effectively take it in your own time pace. So let's just focus on the $25,000 account type here. So that is your virtual starting capital for the challenge. Now with that account type, you have a profit target to reach of $1,750, which works out around about 7%. And your end of day drawdown, so this is the maximum amount that you can basically hit before your account is void, is 1,500, so it's around about 6%. So you're working with a profit target of 7% and your max risk on the account is 6%. Now they do also have a daily loss limit, and this is calculated based on open equity, and that is $550, so it's just over 2% on the account. So that means that you can't lose more than that in one day for this account, otherwise you effectively fail at that rule. Traders can have a maximum number of 3 contracts open at one point, and the monthly subscription, which rebills every 30 days, is $150 for the $25,000 account. But are there any restrictions for trading? Well, as the US futures exchanges close every day, Earn to Trade don't allow you to hold any open positions overnight. So effectively, this makes this prop firm available only for intraday trading, so it's not suitable if you are a swing trader. Now there are 3 goals to hit in order to pass the evaluation for the prop firm, and that is to hit the profit target of 7%. You've got to trade a minimum of 15 days, and you have to maintain consistency on the account. And what this basically means is that you're not allowed to make any more than 30% of your overall profits of the account on one day, just to prove to Earn to Trade that you are a consistent trader, that you're not taking any crazy risk or really trying to bat and get a massive win in one day. So it shows that you can spread out your trade progress and you don't have to rely on any one big winner in order to succeed as a trader. Why join Earn to Trade? Earn to Trade are a great prop firm for futures traders, and in particular, I really like their transparency. On the website, you can see that they have not only loads of different reviews from traders who have carried out their prop firm challenge and who are trading with them, but they also have a lot of great reviews from Trustpilot. So it just really helps to add that reassurance and that trust that you are dealing with a good company. There are also many different account types available based on your budget, what you can afford to pay monthly. And the fact that they offer a monthly subscription also brings an element of a more relaxed pace of trading into the equation, because you're not trying to meet deadlines and you can go at your own pace. Another thing I really liked about Earn to Trade is that they include access to a massive resource of education with their monthly subscription. So Earn to Trade have a really useful educational side in the dashboard, and it includes lots of information, lots of resources that you can access where you are subscribed with them. This includes a 62 lesson trading course, over 60 webinar topics, and over 50 hours of learning. So it includes all types of topics to do with trading, ways to help develop your skills and techniques when you are trading. Also, once you do pass the challenge and get access to that funded account, you don't have to pay any monthly subscription fees any longer. So you only pay the monthly subscription fee whilst you are undertaking the challenge. And with that fee that you are paying to get monthly access, it's not only monthly access to the challenge itself. In addition, it's the access to the educational material that I mentioned just now, but it also gives you access to a demo account, which is really great. So if you want to start and get a feel of what the platform is like with Earn to Trade, but you don't want to start your challenge straight away, you can have a go in their demo first. So you have quite a lot of different features that come with this monthly package. What happens once you get funded? Traders who pass the Gauntlet Mini have two options when it comes to a funded trading account. They can choose what's called a live sim account, or they can choose a live account. So let's have a little bit look in more detail at both of those two. A live sim account is basically a paper trading account, which does function the same as a live account, including the profit withdrawals, but they have a slightly quicker setup. So if you have passed your evaluation and you want to get going with your live account as soon as possible, this might be the better option for you because you can access the account a lot more quickly. They also allow traders to get market data for their first exchange for free. Although the live sim account is only available until traders make their first $5,000, after that they have to move to a live account. Alternatively, traders who pass the challenge can choose to start straight away with a live account, but it does take a little bit longer to get that account set up. This is mainly due to the paperwork that's involved. There are also monthly data fees to consider with the live account, which are $105 for each exchange. Once traders pass the test and trade their funded trading account, they can keep 80% of the profits that they make. The prop firm will keep the remaining 20% of the profits. There are also no minimum trading days left to consider, and there are also no monthly subscription fees left to pay. So just to reiterate with you, stage 1 with Earn to Trade consists of the evaluation, whereby you have to adhere to the rules, you have to reach the goals, and if you pass that, then you can progress on to stage 2, which involves building your career. Funded trading accounts are provided to futures traders where traders can earn and keep up to 80% of the profits. Now, stage 3 gives traders the option to upgrade their live account. Earn to Trade provide an interesting capital growth program which allows traders to follow the progression ladder. This basically means that as traders continue to trade their funded accounts, respecting the rules and achieving growth on the account, they can slowly work their way up through the different account types, which allows them to earn more capital and effectively acts like a snowball until they can access a senior live account of $200,000. So there is certainly a lot of growth involved with Earn to Trade. So now that we've explored the products from Earn to Trade and how you can earn from your trading, let's go back onto the computer and I'll just give you a quick insight to what it looks like when you sign up with Earn to Trade, and you can see what their dashboard is like and the other features. Okay guys, so here is the dashboard with Earn to Trade, and on the left hand side you can see your profile and the menu items where you can find all the features in the dashboard. They also have a traders community on Discord, which can be really useful so that you can connect with other traders as part of the Earn to Trade community. So the different features that they have, they've got a tab here for evaluation. So this is where you can access your details for the Gauntlet challenge. This includes some clear data on the evaluation test and any breaches that you may have, so you can monitor your progress here. There's also a couple of links here to NinjaTrader and also to Finamark, which are the two trading platforms that Earn to Trade recommend, and they actually give you some really good deals with those as well. And what I find really interesting is we've got a tab here called Lessons, and this is where you can access all the educational material that I mentioned to you before. So there's quite a lot of lessons here that you can go through, a lot of video content, and they also have quizzes as well to help with your learning process. And if you scroll down to the bottom here, I mentioned before that simulator where you can effectively trade with no risk before you actually start your challenge, and that's where you can access this here. Put your theory into practice without risking any money. Moving on down through the menu, there's some more guides here as part of the educational content. So if you would rather read than watch, this is where you can access some more information. And they also have some webinars as well. So there's a lot of information to get into there to develop your trading skills and knowledge. A couple of extra bits. So they've got a calendar, an economic calendar, just so you can keep up to date on any news that might affect your trading, and then your usual settings and help if you need it. If you want to try out Earn to Trade for yourself, I have got a link below in the description where you can find out some more information or sign up if it's for you. If you've got any questions about the Earn to Trade platform or about their evaluation program, they do have a really useful live chat feature on their website. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!